Where? What?
I don't got time for your bullshit. Where are the goddamn Gold Stars?
What?
I said, I got no time. I know you hit all the Gold Stars because you think you got the best performer of the year.
Okay. I hit them. Just put the gun down first. What is happening?
There are 4 cohorts now. It's very hard to book the room. So yeah, I'm sorry. I can't book the furniture room as a torture room only because CPY said it's not that high in the priority list.
I mean, it's alright. I'm cool with it. Are they cool with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they're cool.
Now, where the fuck are they?
I told the trays in the hall.
You what?
The trays in the hall can.
Oh my god, you are Trey.
A few moments later.
So, you're telling me that you used to be a kitchen, and then you got fired for bribery, lying, and getting money from... Okay, how does this relate it to the stars?
Because a recipe was created and it was angrily spilled in my mouth.
Angrily? You mean accidentally?
No, angrily. You innocent! No, it is not! It is... Whatever that was, created a portal to a different reality. You need to drink whatever that was.
Okay, where can I get this recipe?
Well, a younger sister of the family made this. She was really nice and sweet and playful. But now, she's different. Everyone calls her BD.
What does BD stand for?
The big day. So, you want a recipe?
Yes, I do. Wait, is this your...
What? Is there a problem?
Well, no. Yes, I mean, I need to get the Gold Stars back for the Second Brays, and I need the recipe because it's the only way of getting it back. I really need your help.
Fine.
Is this the...
Everything will be like a dream. I'm sorry. Nothing will make sense. So remember to always ask what you need to do.
What are we doing? Seriously, what the... We're pointing at each other. But why? To find out. Find out what?
Who is the true Cassandra? But actually, why are we doing that? It doesn't make any sense for... No, it makes total sense. Okay.
Actually, I don't know why I'm here. I need a...
Shh! You can't say that.
Say what?
Say what you just said. Can't say either.
I need a...
Not the N-word!
I need a...
Nina is dead!
Nina? Nani?
Nina is dead. Nina are dead. You have to wake up!
Where is she? I can't find her. Where's Nina?
Nina? She killed herself. Oh, all of the Nina are dead.
What?
What is that?
Sometimes you have to. Okay, your job is to always take away your boss pain. What does that mean?
So you're gonna kill your boss?
Probably.
But you're your own boss. You're a writer.
I'm Constantine, by the way, just for information. What did she say?
What did she say, Constantine?
I don't know, I'm asking too.
I'm not asking you, I'm asking him.
Sorry, my bad. Hey, Constantine!
What?
Not you!
Nina is dead. She killed herself.
Fucking bitch stole my plan.
Wait. There's three of us. Which one of our Ninas?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. All of our Nina is dead.
What was it? I can't remember.
We're in a library filled with zombies.
What the fuck? Who are you?
The Gold Stars. You're here for the Gold Stars. I can read people as much as I can read a fart.
Yeah. I'm here for the... Wait, what?
It's my superpower. More like a curse. I know who can help you.
Who?
Her Melanie.
Melanie? What are you doing?
Can you be quiet? I'm trying to fart. It's my superpower. Whenever I fart, I can teleport you places. Wherever you want to go. And I'll send you where you want to go. Oh, I can feel it. Oh, it's just a false alarm.
It's my turn, right?
I don't know. Your turn.
My turn. Choco. Why?
Wait.
Why you know how to cut?
Hey! I told you. I gave you the steps, huh?
屌，that's too long, too much. 佢裝方形，方形。I know 係drawing 啊，drawing 科啊。打死你啦，Jen！
What the fuck? Hey!
Hey, I can take photo for you lah.
Give us better cut, okay? I was about to win. You witch! Okay, huh? You give us back cut. He will take photo for you, okay? Which university did you graduate from? Canada,
No, maybe maybe I'm not taking photo. Maybe
You are.
maybe
You are.
Tessie.
No,
Tessie,
no, no.
Tessie, take photo.
No,
I don't take photo.
want the
lah.
cut right now.
Okay. He will take photo. Cut. 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 Give us. Cut.
Never mind. XJ will take photo.
I have a bomb. And I'm going to kill all of you. 10, 9, 8,
Strong, man.
anyway,
我跟我儿子
7.
I don't know. Give us coffee.
That wasn't me.
Come brave. Gold Stars. I need them. Do you know where is the Gold Stars? Gold Stars!
You're here for the Gold Stars.
Yes, please. I really need them. You don't understand. I don't have time. Where are they?
I can give you the Gold Stars.
I'm so sick and tired of all of you. You know what? I'm going to press it.
They're a vessel.
Is he the... So he is the Gold Star? No way. Fuck! No shit! He is the Gold Star! Thank you so much.
So now, you have to get through that wall, and then you can go to the Second Brays. Just like Harry Potter.
Oh, you mean like Harry goes to Hogwarts?
Yes.
I got it.
Wait.
What's the problem?
Stand still.
Yeah?
Bippity boppity boo.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Thank you! Oh. Bye!
Good luck.
Thank you.
Check it to 10.